This tree fed empires, healed nations, and still feeds billions of bees. The linden tree, a majestic giant that can live for over 1,000 years, filling summer air with one of the sweetest fragrances on earth. Linden flowers bloom in midsummer, right when most other trees have stopped, and they pour out so much nectar that a single mature tree can produce enough to yield roughly 16 kilograms of honey. That honey is one of the most prized monofloral honeys in the world. The dense canopy hosts over 30 species of insects and shelters nesting birds like wood pigeons and finches. And when the leaves fall, they decompose fast, enriching the soil with calcium and feeding entire communities of earthworms and fungi below ground. In Germany alone, over 850 towns and villages carry names derived from Linde, the German word for this tree. Plant your linden during dormancy, from late autumn through early spring. Give it moist, fertile soil and full sun, and leave at least 10 meters of space, because this tree grows a broad, generous canopy that can spread up to 20 meters wide. Do choose sucker-free cultivars like greenspire if you want cleaner growth. Do site it away from parked cars, because aphids on lindens produce sticky honeydew that coats everything below. Don't plant too close to buildings, and don't skip formative pruning in the first 5 to 10 years. Courts of justice were held beneath its branches. Healers brewed tea from its blossoms. Sculptors carved masterpieces from its wood. The linden tree has shaped human life for centuries, and it's still out there, quietly feeding bees and cooling our cities. Restore, protect, inspire.